Hello, everyone. Welcome to day one of our Stoic philosophy series. Today, we are going to learn a very simple but powerful idea called Stoicism. Stoicism is not a difficult subject, it is a way of thinking that helps us stay calm, strong, and confident, even when life becomes difficult. Many successful people, leaders, and professionals use Stoic thinking to handle pressure, rejection, and unexpected problems. For example, imagine your flight gets delayed, or you do not pass an exam, or you face rejection in an interview. These situations can make us angry, nervous, or disappointed. But Stoicism teaches us something very important. Focus only on what you can control. Today, we will learn what Stoicism means and how we can start using it in daily life. So let's begin. Before we learn the concept, let us think about our daily emotions. Ask yourself these two questions. Question number one: what makes people angry? Take a moment to think. Some common answers may be when someone insults us, when things do not go our way, when plans get cancelled, when we feel ignored. Now, the second question. Question number two: what situations make you nervous? Possible answers could be speaking in public, giving an interview, waiting for exam results, facing rejection. These feelings are normal. Everyone feels anger and nervousness sometimes. But the real question is, can we control everything that happens to us? The answer is no. And this is where Stoicism begins. Now, let us understand the main idea of Stoicism. Stoicism is an ancient philosophy started by a Greek teacher named Zeno of Citium. He taught people how to stay calm and strong during difficult times. The most important Stoic rule is focus only on what you can control. Let us understand this with simple examples. Example number one: flight delay. Imagine you are ready to travel, but suddenly your flight is delayed. Can you control the delay? No. But what can you control? You can stay calm, use your time wisely, avoid unnecessary anger. So instead of complaining, you stay peaceful. That is Stoic thinking. Example number two: exam result. You studied very hard for an exam. Can you control the result? Not fully. But what can you control? You can control your effort, your participation, your attitude. A Stoic focuses on effort, not only on results. Example number three: rejection. You attend an interview but do not get selected. Can you control the final decision? No. But you can control your preparation, your confidence, your learning from mistakes. Instead of feeling broken, you can improve yourself. This is Stoic strength. Now we will talk about control versus no control. Now let's do a simple activity. Imagine two columns: right, control, and no control. Now think of examples. Here are some examples: control, my effort, my behavior, my attitude, my preparation. Under no control column, you can write weather, other people, results, unexpected problems. Important rule: focus your energy only on the control column. Do not waste energy on things you cannot control. This simple idea can reduce stress and increase confidence. Now, take a moment to reflect. Ask yourself, what did you learn today? Maybe you learned not everything is in your control. Staying calm is powerful. Effort matters more than results. Now ask yourself, when will you use stoic thinking? Possible answers: during exams, during interviews, during difficult situations, during rejection. Stoicism is not just theory, it is a daily life skill. Here is your simple homework. Write one difficult situation you faced and answer. How did you handle it calmly? Or how could you handle it better using Stoic thinking? This small exercise will help you build emotional strength. Today, we learn the first and most important lesson of Stoicism, which is focus only on what you can control. Remember this simple rule: you cannot control everything, but you can control your reaction. Tomorrow, we will learn about the history of Stoicism and how this philosophy started thousands of years ago. If you enjoyed today's lesson, keep learning and keep practicing Stoic thinking in your daily life. Stay calm, stay strong, stay focused. As we come to the end of part 1, let's quickly remember today's main lesson. Stoicism teaches us one powerful rule: focus only on what you can control. You cannot control everything that happens in life, but you can always control your thoughts, your actions, and your reactions. From today, try to notice situations where you feel angry, nervous, or disappointed and ask yourself, is this in my control or not? This simple question can change the way you think and react. For today's homework, write about one difficult situation you faced and think about how you handled it calmly or how you could handle it better using Stoic thinking. Tomorrow, in part 2, we will learn about how Stoicism started and the story behind this powerful philosophy. If you found this lesson helpful, keep practicing calm thinking in your daily life. Stay calm, stay strong, stay in control. See you in the part 2. Make sure to check the description box for the vocabulary. I will just pronounce the words: stoicism, control, reaction, effort, acceptance, calm, emotion, focus, situation, and attitude. That's all for today. See you in the next podcast. Till then, bye bye and take care.